How to transform your life in 21 days. A guide to holistic growth. Transformation is not an overnight process, but a series of intentional steps that, when applied consistently, yield life-changing results. Over the next 21 days, you will implement incremental changes across various aspects of life: health, social connections, career, business, spirituality, and family. By the end of this journey, you will have cultivated habits that bring balance, fulfillment, and purpose to your life. Days 1 to 5, laying the foundation. Day 1, self-assessment and goal setting. Take time to reflect on where you are and where you want to be. Write down your goals for health, relationships, career, business, spirituality, and family. Be specific and set realistic expectations. Day 2, implement a morning routine. Start your day with purpose. A morning routine that includes hydration, stretching, meditation, and journaling can set a positive tone for the day. Day 3, improve your diet. Incorporate whole, nutritious foods into your meals. Avoid processed foods and excessive sugars. Small changes, such as drinking more water and eating fresh fruits, can improve energy levels and overall well-being. Day 4, enhance social connections. Reach out to an old friend or strengthen existing relationships. Meaningful conversations and social support play a critical role in emotional well-being. Day 5, productivity and time management. Analyze how you spend your time and identify productivity gaps. Implement the Pomodoro technique or time blocking to enhance efficiency in work and personal tasks. Days 6 to 10, strengthening your mind and body. Day 6, incorporate daily exercise. Start with at least 30 minutes of physical activity, whether it's a brisk walk, yoga, or a workout routine. Exercise releases endorphins, boosting mood and energy. Day 7, digital detox and mindfulness. Limit screen time and practice mindfulness. Engage in meditation, deep breathing, or spending time in nature to reduce stress and improve focus. Day 8, improve your work or business skills. Invest in your professional growth by reading a book, taking an online course, or developing a skill that can advance your career or business. Day 9, strengthen family bonds. Schedule quality time with family. Engage in shared activities. Have meaningful conversations or express appreciation for your loved ones. Day 10, financial awareness. Evaluate your finances. Create a budget, track expenses, and start saving or investing for a secure future. Days 11 to 15, deepening growth and expanding horizons. Day 11, declutter your environment. A clean space promotes a clear mind. Declutter your home and workspace to create a more productive and stress-free atmosphere. Day 12, develop a growth mindset. Replace limiting beliefs with empowering thoughts. Practice self-affirmations and visualize success in different areas of life. Day 13, network and expand social circles. Attend networking events or connect with like-minded individuals online. Building a strong network can open doors to new opportunities. Day 14, gratitude and positivity. Start a gratitude journal. Writing down 3 things you are grateful for each day can shift focus toward positivity and contentment. Day 15, deepen spiritual practice. Engage in prayer, meditation, or reading spiritual texts to nurture your inner self and cultivate peace and purpose. Days 16 to 21, sustaining long-term transformation. Day 16, set boundaries and prioritize self-care. Learn to say no and set boundaries to protect your energy. Engage in self-care activities that rejuvenate you mentally and physically. Day 17, step outside your comfort zone. Do something that challenges you. Speak publicly, try a new hobby, or take on a project that scares you. growth happens outside of comfort zones. Day 18. Reflect and adjust your goals. Review the progress you've made so far. Adjust goals where necessary to align with your evolving vision. Day 19. Practice generosity. Give back to others, whether through acts of kindness, volunteering, or mentoring. Giving enriches both the receiver and the giver. Day 20. Visualize your future. Create a vision board or write down your ideal life 5 years from now. Visualization helps maintain motivation and clarity. Day 21. Commit to lifelong growth. Transformation doesn't end here. Commit to continuous improvement and keep refining your habits for a fulfilling, balanced life. Maintaining motivation and discipline. Track your progress. Keep a journal or use habit tracking apps to measure daily improvements. Seeing progress, no matter how small, fuels motivation. Find an accountability partner. Share your goals with a trusted friend, mentor, or coach who can encourage you and hold you accountable. Reward yourself. Celebrate small wins to reinforce positive behavior. Acknowledge your achievements and treat yourself to something meaningful. Stay inspired. Read motivational books, listen to podcasts, and surround yourself with positive influences that keep you motivated. Embrace a growth mindset. Accept setbacks as learning experiences and keep pushing forward. Adapt and evolve continuously to sustain long-term transformation. By applying these incremental changes consistently over 21 days, you will notice profound shifts in your mindset, habits, and overall well-being. Transformation is a journey, not a destination. Embrace it with commitment and enthusiasm.